Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, I don't know if you can see it in the background, but we are gonna go shopping at Ikea. I love Ikea. I shop here often. I have several things from here, but I thought it would be fun to share with you my top 20 items that I love from Ikea that are under $10. There's so many great buys here and so many things you can find for under $10. So let's go in and I'll show you the ones I love. This is one of my favorite Ikea baskets. I love it for storing plants, but they have it displayed really cute up here. It's only $9.99. I also love how they have the same basket displayed here. They just pressed it down and then they have some cute towels in there. So I think it makes it a really versatile basket. So you can either have it up or push it down like that. I love all the trays they have at Ikea, but this one in particular is only $9.99 and it's just so cute, perfect for fall. It would be great like sitting out on your kitchen table. I have these little, I don't even know what they call these. Looks like they call them rails. I have one of these in the camper and then I also have it in my kitchen on the edge of the cabinets. It's only $8.99. I really love it. You have to buy the little hooks separately, but it's definitely one of my favorites. And you can see how they displayed it over here with the hooks. I don't have one of these containers, but I think that's really cute as well. Oh, this one's longer. This one's $9.99. I have the shorter one, but if you were putting it like on your backsplash, you may want the longer one. So I've been kind of obsessed with wood bowls right now for kitchens. The smaller one is only $9.99 and I just think that would look so nice sitting out in your kitchen, or like if you had exposed cabinets like this, or even like I have glass cabinetry. So I think those bowls would look so nice behind there. So the small one's $9.99. The larger one though is $17.99. So I have these calic organizers all over my house. They come in so many different configurations. Like you can get this large one. You can also get like a smaller one that just has 4 on it as well. Some of them, like I have one, I think it's like this one. No, that one's 2. They have them where they store 8. But I wanted to show you these little boxes. They fit in perfectly. They're only $3.99 and they're perfect for kids storage. So I have several of these. They're only $3.99. They're such a great deal. These little fabric ones, they hold up really well. I mean, these look pretty beat up, but my kids have them and have had them for over a year or 2 and they still look in great shape. Here's another shelf. This is the 4x2 that they have. And then they also, these are just, this is like 1x4. These make really good benches. I made a bench in my daughter Annabelle's room with one of these. I'll link that down in the description box if you want to see how I did that. So these are definitely my favorite doormats to get from Ikea. They're only $7.99. I love these because they're nice and big and I can use them, stencil them myself, paint on them, and they just have like a, you know, plain canvas. They work great. I definitely love all of the cutting boards that they have at Ikea. Some that are under $10 that I really like is this one. This one's only $4.99. This would make a great like display item. And these are really cool. They're $8.99. I mean, you could definitely use these for a cutting board. I think they make a great base to like add displays to them. Maybe like some candles or something on top of there. I love these cute little water bottles. They're only $1.99 and they're just kind of like that perfect size. These are my favorite jars that I use in the bathroom. They're $4.99. And like in my daughter Caroline's room, I just painted the lids black. And then they also have like a smaller option that's $2.99. That you could like combine these two, and that would be really cute for like a bathroom. I love all of the hand towels at Ikea. You can get some really nice ones. I have these in my guest bathroom for $2.99. They're like a really good size, and they also have one of these handles on them if you want to hang them that way. But they have them in like a gray and a white. I think I might get some white today. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of the whites to replace some that my daughters decided to get slime on all my white towels. And if you guys know anything about slime, it does not come out of white towels. I love these little suction cups for the bathroom. These things hold so well. I put them in my camper and I was able to hold so much. Like even the weight of my purse, these things held up. They're $4.99 for a 2-pack. And they have them displayed in your bathroom, but I know that like mine I used in my RV as well. So I think, you know, you could use them on walls as well. I love this little Ikea trash can. It's only $10. It's perfect for a bathroom. At my Ikea, it's temporarily unavailable, but it's under $10. Another bathroom item that I love are these little soap dispensers for $5.99. These are out of stock as well, so I don't know if all their bathroom stuff's currently out of stock, but this is great. I have this in Caroline's bathroom and it's holding up really well. My favorite pillow insert has got to be this one for $6. It's 20 by 20, but it's really full. So if you need something to fill your pillows, I typically will get this if I don't already have something on hand. I never skip the rug section. I have made pillows out of this one that's $3.99. They have just a ton of inexpensive rugs. I have this one in my house. I know this one is more than $10. It's $19.99. but it's like a great rug for $20. And if you didn't want to make your own mat, they have several options that are pretty inexpensive as well. This one says that it's new. And then there's also that pattern. So if you didn't want to make your own, they have really inexpensive rugs. I love this clock so much, you guys. I think it just is such a cute little clock. It's only $5.99 and it's just a great little decorative accessory. I love this little rubber tub. They say that it's for laundry, but I guess you could use it for that. But for me, I think it's like perfect for toys. It's only $7.99. I love this like blue color. It would definitely fit into my decor, but yeah, I definitely think these are worth $7.99 and they're fairly large as well. All right, so they have been out of my hooks forever, but this is my favorite single hook for $2.99 at Ikea. This is the one I get if I ever come here, so hopefully they get it back in stock soon. This set of candles is such a good deal. It's only $7.99 and you get all these like cream colored candles. They look really cute in a display, so I've definitely used these quite a bit around my home. I love so much of the glassware at Ikea. These really large glasses are only $7.99. And then there's also a smaller one that is $5.99. I've used these around my house in a bunch of different projects. Here's the $5.99 one, and then this one is $7.99, but they're like a really thick glass. So I get all of my plants from Ikea. They're just such a good deal. Usually the smaller ones are like $3.99, the bigger ones are around $7.99, and then you can even get the larger ones, but they're still a really good deal. My favorite containers for the plants are definitely these two. They're around $5.99, but they're just so cute. They're ceramic and perfect for any plant. I'm gonna pick up this little plant for $3.99 today. I need to replace one that just didn't make it at my house. All right, you guys, let me know down in the comments what items I'm missing. I would love for us to share and get ideas from one another. I hope you got some great ideas from the products I just showed you. If you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed. And if you missed our last video, I'll link it here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.